Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change gender on Pinterest. Maybe you recently realized that you have selected the wrong gender on your Pinterest account, or perhaps you identify as a different gender now. So today, I am going to show you how to change gender on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located on the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this personal information option. Here, you can now see your current gender. Now, to change your gender, simply tap on this gender option. After that, a new window will pop up, and in this window, you can now select your new gender. You can choose between male, female, or custom. For example, I will choose custom. Below, you can type in the gender that you identify with. For example, you want to keep your gender private, so simply type in rather not say. Once you have made your changes, tap on this Done button at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you now have successfully changed your gender on Pinterest. Remember to keep your profile updated with accurate information to ensure that you are getting the most out of your Pinterest experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change gender on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change gender on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.